one of our biggest challenges, how can we increase the education? Say for example, a product like a fiber. We know that as a country, we have large challenges on diabetic population, cardiovascular diseases, and there are today products which are available, which are dietary fibers, which can be, incorporated into formulations. So this
Mm.
is where, we have seen, social media has helped us a lot, wherein we can put in small videos, explaining what does the fiber actually do inside your body, how does it ensure maintaining a good gut health, and why good gut health is so important, to avoid, things like diabetes and cardiovascular diseases. So that is where we have seen some major advantage as a B2B company, that social media is doing for us, right? Uh, on the topic of plant-based proteins, Himmat, as you know, Roquette is kind of leading the way in plant-based proteins, especially pea protein. We already had manufacturing units in France, for making pea protein, and now we're putting up a very large unit in Canada. What we see this, of course, to your question, the trend is extremely strong in Europe and US, especially related to hypoallergenic nature of some other proteins, where a lot of people want to go for plant proteins. But at the same time, we see this trend very strongly in India as well. I mean, there is a lot of customers, which are asking for plant based proteins and doing formulations with plant based proteins. uh, Again, the only difference I would say is that in India, generally our food does have a lot of protein that we take from like lentils and things like that, which is not the case in Europe and US. But I think the trend is, I think it's very, very strong in Europe and US, and I think it's emerging in Asia. So we definitely see that as a strong trend going forward, with plant-based proteins.